Whew. Alright, it's time to unbox the Type S. I would say this more like a jump starter. So I got this from Costco for $78.99. That's like $79 Canadian. It is a 12 volt, 12V. Well, that means 12 volt jump starter. Think of it that way. I know it looks like a power bank, but based on the price of $79 for a 8,000 milliamp power bank, I wouldn't call it a power bank because you can get anyone easily $25 to $40 outside that is 10,000 milliamp or 20,000 milliamp to charge a phone, right? Or any other device if you wish. But this one is only 8,000. Very small, but a very useful thing that I need right now is these two red and black wires that clamps into the 12 volt on the car to start your car. Winter's coming, a lot of cars might get dead battery, might or might not sure, but it is very useful. It's hard to find someone who actually drive the car here and have those wires out in the snow or rain. It's dangerous, but you have this power bank to do that for you. And there are a lot of outlets out here too, so we'll check it out. Let's see what's inside. I need it because it's pandemic, so a lot of people is canceling 2 cars. Therefore, I only drive 1 car. The other one is the old Nissan Leaf 2014. So I don't think it's the battery's problem, but because I left it off for a long time, not driven anywhere. So therefore, the battery is dead. I can't start the car, but I cannot leave the car dead like that because otherwise I would have to replace the battery. Then that will cost more than $100. Therefore, I can have this 2 under 100 as a replacement. Jumpstart the car, leave it running for a while to recharge the battery. That's how it works. I'm not a mechanic, but that's what people told me. A lot of people told me that, so I will jumpstart the car. Alright, now we open it. Oh, before we open it, check it out. So it says Jumpstart 12 volt vehicles. They have 3 vehicles here. Oh, there's a pickup truck logo here. A compact car and seems like a hatchback. Not really, doesn't look like a caravan. So 12 volt. Make sure you have a 12 volt. 8,000 milliamp. Not bad. If you don't use it, leave it in the car and it still can be your power bank. I would say 2 in 1. Let's see. Whoop. Opening the box like that, nothing there. And yeah, oh, this is what it looks like. And you open. Alright. So you got a case. See, I feel something in there. So probably the cable and the power bank. I don't want to drop it. I want to bring it. And it's not a sale or anything. That's the original price. There you go. Thick, like a brick wall. Alright, so there. So let's see what's in here. Warning. Product code, register within 30-day purchase for receive a 1-year warranty. So register it and get 1-year warranty. 12 volt jump starter. Blah, blah, blah. There's a guidebook. I don't know why people don't do it online anymore. It's a waste of trees because all you need to do is one paper, put a link there and tell it to search for this model, and just put this on a PDF file. Who reads that? I mean, if you do, and then next time when you need it, you won't know where you put it. So at least as a case, I'll put it in here. Oh well, so in here there is a funny thing is there is car USB charger. I will say use this to charge the pack. Oh, there's no AC adapter. I assume there's AC adapter. So car charger is for you, and there's a cable, micro USB cable. This is outdated version, I would say. Maybe they'll come out with a new version. Like, I hope it's powerful enough. So they probably let you charge in the car with this. So you charge the power bank with a 12-volt battery, and then you use the power bank to jumpstart the 12-volt battery. That's how it works, circle of life. Anyways, yeah, that's that. And then this is the thing that you plug into the power bank. The adapter is something like that. It looks like something that come out from the PC adapter or laptop adapter. Clamp, retractable. Very nice. I'm gonna test it out for sure right away. I can't make a video while doing it. It's dangerous, but I will. Of course, reading the instruction first. So let's check out the power bank. Type S, and a lot of logo, wordings. This side nothing. Bottom is nothing for you to stand. On the other side there is a. This is the light, flashlight. And let's open this up. We got, this is where you plug it in. Plug this cable in, the triple round input. And the other tab is, the other tab, you got three things. You got a USB. Of course, that will charge the universal USB thing to charge anything that you have the wire for, iPhone or anything like that. And there is one for the USB-C. Right now, USB-C is for everything. That's more universal, new thing. The small plug and input. Okay, it's not output. Oh, USB-C has output also. Input. Okay, got it. So very nice. All right, there's three things here, right? Micro USB is the old version of USB that the wire comes in. Is an input, so you charge it with this. Or you can use USB-C. They have an output and input, so it can charge. If you have a USB-C to USB-C cable, you can use that to charge your phone, or you can use that to charge this device. I would suggest USB-C charging if you have that. Supposed to be faster, and the basic USB you can charge everything else, right? Like your e-cigarette, your other power bank. So this is pretty basic. That's all you have plugging in. And on the other side, you have the LED, a display. Oh my god, 74% right now. So if I click again, what's gonna happen? Click again. Nothing. Hold it. How do I turn on the flashlight? This is when you need to read the manual. Okay, got it. So to turn on the flashlight, you just hold it, and yeah, it's on. Well, there you go. And if you hold it again, and it's off. So if you press it once, the display will turn on. But if you long hold, because there's only one button, then the flashlight will come on. Then it's not that useful if you do a quick on and off flashlight. This is just for emergency purposes. Something you leave in a car, leave it in an old car. New car, I don't think they have this problem, but old cars when they need jump start, or if you like helping other people, or if a friend call you up and say, hey, my car is down, you can just bring this over there and do that. I'd rather use this over a car-to-car wire. I have that car-to-car wire, it's very cheap, but that is kind of dangerous. Of course, if it's a nice day, that is fine. Otherwise, it's like if it's cold weather, either it's snowing or it's raining, and I don't want to have any liquid touching any wire or anything that's gonna shock me. This is great. It said that it is a IP64 splash proof. But anyway, you have the hood open and you work this within it. I feel safer. So that's it with this box. Yeah. So enjoy. I will say you will need it during the winter. Have a nice day. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Baby!